In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the price of a course or offer in Kajabi. Whether you're launching a new offer, running a promotion, or simply updating your pricing strategy, tweaking the price of your Kajabi products is a straightforward process once you know where to go and what to click. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. To start, you'll need to log into your Kajabi account. Head over to the Kajabi website and enter your login credentials. If you're already logged in, that's great, you're ready to go. Once you're inside your Kajabi dashboard, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side. Here, you'll find an option titled Sales. This is your first stop. Click it to open up a new world of sales options and navigate towards managing your offers. After clicking on Sales, you'll see several options related to different aspects of your sales strategies. Here, we're interested in offers, so go ahead and click on Offers. This will bring up a list of all the offers you currently have, each with its unique options. Now scroll through your list of offers until you find the particular course or offer you want to modify. When you have located it, click on the title to bring up its specific settings page. This is where you get to do the magic, adjusting the details that your customers see when they consider purchasing your course. On this page, you'll notice a section called Pricing. Click on it. This section has all the current pricing information and where you can make your changes. You have the ability to update the pricing plans and payment options here, tailoring everything to match your new pricing strategy. Then you'll select the payment type. Choose between different payment structures that Kajabi offers, whether you want a one-time payment, subscription, payment plan, or a free trial. This flexibility allows you to sculpt the payment experience to best suit the needs of your audience and your business model. If you wish to provide more context or a specific name to your pricing strategy, you can utilize the price text override feature. Simply type in what you'd like the buyers to see. Perhaps it's a special offer name or an enticing promotional tagline. Once you're satisfied with the new pricing and descriptions, the final and crucial step is to hit Save. This ensures all your hard work sticks and that the changes are live and ready for your customers to see. With these simple steps, you can confidently adjust your pricing in Kajabi, reflecting your evolving business needs. Whether it's adapting to market trends, experimenting with new pricing strategies, or rewarding your loyal customers, managing your course offers and pricing has never been easier. Remember, pricing is key to the success of your courses, so fine-tune it wisely. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Kajabi journey.